Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about HTML text formatting. So HTML has several tags and they can be used for text formatting. So first of all we're going to talk about the B tag. So the B tag is used for the bold text. So inside the opening and closing B tag we put the content that will be shown in the bold text. So now we're going to talk about the strong tag. The strong tag is used to define text with strong importance, and the text inside the strong tag is typically displayed in bold. And next we're going to talk about the I tag. The I tag is used to display text in italic. So the content we put inside the I tag will be shown in italic format. And next we have the EM tag. The EM tag defines emphasized text, and the text is typically displayed in italic format. So the screen reader will pronounce the word in the EM tag with an emphasis using the verbal stress. And next we are going to talk about the small tag. The small tag is used to define smaller text. So the content we put inside the small tag will be shown in smaller format. So next we're going to talk about the mark tag. So the mark tag is used to define marked or highlighted text. So the content we put inside the mark tag will be highlighted using the background color. And next we have the del tag. The del tag defines deleted text from a document, and the browser usually strike a line through the text. So the text we put inside the del tag, so there is gonna be one line through the text. And next we're going to talk about the INS tag. The INS tag defines a text that has been inserted into a document, and the browser usually underline the inserted text. So the text we put inside the INS tag, there is gonna be one underline. And next we have the sub tag. The sub tag is used for subscript text, and the subscript text appears half a character below the normal line, and the subscript text is basically used for formulas. Like an example, we can write H and we can put the 2 inside the sub tag, and then we can have O outside, and this way we can write the formula H2O using the sub tag. And just opposite of that we have the sub tag. The sub tag is used for superscript text, and the superscript text appears half a character above the normal line. So when we wanted to write x squared, then we have to put the number 2 inside the sub tag, and this way we can have the figure x squared. So this is the way we can use so many different HTML tags to format the text. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.